Hi, welcome to Bhavana Digital Academy. In this video, we will learn what are the opportunities available to make passive income from online. My name is Kumar. I am PMP certified project management professional, now become trainer. Now, as we see on the screen, these are the opportunities available to make passive income from online. One is online freelancing, and second is web designing, third content writing, digital coaching, digital marketing, and affiliate marketing. Now we'll see each one in a brief manner. Online freelancing. What is online freelancing? Online freelancing is a concept of doing self-employment, like a person who is self-employed and not necessarily committed to a particular employer long term. That means whenever he wants to do some work, he can do that work and he will leave that organization. He is not a permanent employee. What kind of work can I make money online with? One is translation and article writing, graphic design, administration, social media manager, curriculum developer, fitness instructor, tutor. These are some of the kinds of works you can do online. Now, the most important question what we'll get is where we will find this type of work online. These are the few examples. People Per Hour is a UK-based company and they will provide freelancing opportunities through their website. On People Per Hour business post jobs for freelancers to bid on. You are also able to sell your services for a fixed price through an hourly. Freelancer. This is also another company. This is also another company. It is an Australian online marketplace connecting businesses with freelancers. And most reputed website is Upwork. This is focusing on global English speaking markets. USA, UK, Canada, etc. It is a marketplace where you could use freelance works. It offers a good interface and communication features with job posters. Now, the most important thing is payment. How you will get the payment? Some websites like escrow will be used for payments, like People Per Hour. These companies deposit amount in escrow and escrow will pay to the freelancers. And there are other websites also there like PayPal and bank account through bank accounts. And the next opportunity is web designing. A web designer works on the appearance, layout, and in some cases content of the website. That means a website, when you see the website, that will be designed by a web designer. What you see, the content or photos or videos, layout, the structure, all these things will be designed by the web designer. Web designing is an art. It has become more popular than before. Nowadays, everyone is having a website. Even we are also having a Bhavana Digital Academy website. You can visit and see how it is. Benefits of studying web designing course. You can learn in a short time. You can do freelancing projects. You can earn money in a short time. You can start your own training institute. What are the tools used for web designing? There are various tools and few are like Coda 2, OmniGraphy, Pen and Paper, Vim. These tools will be helpful while designing the website. Now, Bhavana Digital Academy offers online digital training courses. We offer the best prices also with a comprehensive curriculum in the industry. You can visit, this is our website, https://www.bhavanadigitalaacademy.com, and you can visit the courses page. Some of the courses are content writing. Content writing is a process of planning, writing, and editing web content, typically for digital marketing purposes. It can include writing blog posts, and articles, scripts for videos and podcasts. And this content will be specific to specific platforms. For example, Twitter and Reddit. Present day content you will find in press releases, web content, SEO content, report writing, social media content, blogs and articles. The next opportunity is affiliate marketing. This is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to a partner for a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to the partner for doing this marketing. Who is involved in it? Advertiser, brand, retailer, publisher, partner, affiliate network platform, consumer. Consumer is a person who purchases the products. Affiliate network platform is a platform which is an intermediary between advertisers and publishers who operates affiliate programs. Publisher, partner, affiliate. A person or company who partners with an advertiser to promote their product or service and then receives a commission from the advertiser whenever agreed upon outcomes for. Advertiser, brand, retailer. A person or a company who has a product or service to sell online or in store. How does it works? A consumer when clicks on the affiliate link and is directed to the advertiser's site. If the consumer buys that product or service, then he will be paid a commission for that purchase. And commission depends on the types of products. According to Harvard Business Review, affiliate marketing was considerably more valuable, 6 times, than conventional marketing, in part because the advertisements were targeted to online spaces with a traffic type already interested in the specific product or service. Today, it is firmly positioned at every stage of the buyer funnel from awareness to conversion, offering valuable quality content to buyers at every touch point. Does affiliate marketing work as an advertising channel? Yes, today more than 80% of brands, including many common household brands, have affiliate marketing programs. And these are the examples: YouTube, Amazon, Instagram, TikTok, Mojo, etc. And next opportunity is digital coaching business. How to start a coaching business? If you have an idea in your mind and you are a specialist in that idea, then you can do this coaching business. That means what you know you can teach, and how to teach online is called a digital coaching business. These are the options what you can teach. For example, health or wellness coaching like yoga, financial coaching, relationship coaching, spiritual coaching, performance coaching, social media coaching, photography coaching, skills coaching like whatever skills you know. USP is a unique selling proposition. That means you have a unique idea in your mind and you know well about that and you want to share to the people, you want to help the people, other people who needs of it. This will come from your own experience, your personality, positive client results. Next opportunity is the digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to any online marketing efforts or assets like email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and even blogging are all great examples of digital marketing. They help introduce people to your company and convince them to buy. There are two types of digital marketing, B2B and B2C. B2B is a business to business, B2C is a business to consumer or customer. These are the points how it works. B2B business to business will take longer time and B2C business to customer will take short time. Digital marketing assets. What all you require to do this? Your website, branded assets, video content, images, written content, online products or tools, reviews, social media pages. What are the strategies in digital marketing? One is pay-per-click advertising, like Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, paid search advertising, search engine optimization, paid social media advertising. Benefits of digital marketing. A broad geographic reach. You can reach anywhere in the world. And cost efficiency, quantifiable results, easier personalization with customers. And these are the opportunities what are we discussed, like digital marketing, content writing, affiliate marketing, online freelancing, web designing, etc. Thank you for watching the video. We look forward to reach you for your requirements. Thank you.